Weekend Modder here with a send-in proof video for Camron S. Camron, this is the console that you send in for modification. It is a Trinity motherboard, so we RGH'd it using the the Matrix V1 muffin technique. As you can see, screaming fast boot times here. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. Up here in this paper sleeve, there is a copy of the backups of all of your NANDs, your updflash.bin, as well as some backup software stuff. As you can see, the console is booting directly into Freestyle Dash. Be sure to check out the additional video links in your final confirmation email that has your tracking number in it from me, because that has a link to a little intro video by me about how to navigate around, as well as to a playlist by a guy named XX Modded Warfare, which will walk you through just about anything you could want to do on an RGH console. So we definitely appreciate your business. I actually did record myself doing this modification, and it will be going up on the main Weekend Modder channel as a tutorial video, so be on the lookout for that in the next few days once I get that video edited and put together. So thanks for your business, and we'll get this thing packed up, and it will actually head out your way today. Let's see, Saturday, March 24th, 2018. So I would expect to Nevada, you're probably looking at Monday or Tuesday delivery. So enjoy.